Most people think learning a new language is hard, but what if I told you that the real truth is the opposite? What if learning a new language is actually one of the easiest skills you can build once you stop doing what everyone else does and start doing what actually works? Stick around because I'm going to show you how simple this really is. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried learning Spanish, French, Japanese, whatever, and felt frustrated or stuck, today's video is going to change the way you think about language learning forever. Most people quit because they're following the wrong approach. Today you'll see why learning a new language is easier than you think and how you can start making progress today. Here's something most people never realize. Your brain is built, literally wired, to learn languages. It's one of the first things human beings learn to do, and we do it naturally. Think about it. A toddler can't read, can't take notes, can't study, and yet they become fluent in a language just by being around it. So if a toddler can do that while spilling juice and throwing toys, you definitely can too. Adults don't struggle because languages are hard. Adults struggle because we learn languages in the most complicated way possible. We overthink, we memorize lists, we try to be perfect from day one. But language isn't a test, language is a skill, and skills are learned through simple, consistent practice, not pressure. Here's the simple method that makes learning feel easy, not exhausting. It all comes down to 3 small habits. Habit number 1, micro sessions. Instead of forcing yourself into long study sessions, use 5 to 10 minutes a day. That's all you need. Short, frequent exposure trains your brain faster than one long marathon. Habit number 2, learn through things you already enjoy. Use real content, music, shows, social media clips, podcasts. When you connect the language to things you love, your brain relaxes and you absorb it naturally. Habit number 3, speak out loud. Early. This is the ultimate cheat code. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start speaking, even if you only know a few words. Speaking locks in vocabulary faster than any other method. But does it really work? 2. Absolutely. People using this simple method see results in weeks because they're not relying on pressure, perfection, or complicated systems. They're learning the same way the brain prefers to learn, naturally, consistently, and with real-life input. You don't need special talent. You don't need unlimited free time. You just need small daily contact with the language and a willingness to speak before you feel perfect. So here's the truth. Learning a new language isn't hard. It's just misunderstood. If you keep it simple, keep it fun, and keep showing up for a few minutes a day, you'll be shocked at how fast you improve. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which language you want to learn next. See you in the next one.